Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you can't sign in, keep getting errors or your account won't load, it usually means there is a password, account or connection issue blocking access. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix login problems on Prime Video in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing you have to know that login issues are usually account or network related, common on mobile browsers and smart TVs and often quick to fix. Okay, so focus on account and connection. So by that, start with double check your credentials, like re-enter your email and password carefully. Check for typos or autofill errors. Okay, most login problems come from incorrect details. Otherwise, reset your password, like click forgot password. Follow the reset link sent to your email. This fixes forgotten or incorrect passwords. Okay, you can also check your internet connection, like ensure stable Wi-Fi or mobile data, avoid weak or public networks. This is required for secure login. Okay, otherwise disable VPN or proxy if you are using any, so turn off VPN because VPN can trigger login blocks or verification issues. Okay, also verify your account if prompted, like enter OTP one-time code sent to your email or phone. Complete any security check. It confirms your identity. Okay, so that's it. You can also update the app or browser if they are outdated, like update Prime Video application or update your browser if you're using a PC. This fixes compatibility issues. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.